on there, you can premature ejected. Say what? I got to swing the five. Are we good then? We're good. Rolling, folks. Dylan put the door on backwards. How could you, Dylan?
Backwards to the car, too.
Alright, so we got sealer on Jeremy's dually roof. As soon as this flashes off, we'll start laying down the base coat, and then we get to play with the sparkly, glittery stuff. Way to go. Digging through his box of treasure.
We got Brian's Mustang here. It's been everything's painted, wet sand buff. We got the front and rear glass in, and now we are assembling the sheet metal.
All right, so Dylan and I are tag teaming the assembly on the Mustang here. We're about to put the deck lid on right now. As you can see, threw some towels down just to give us a little extra protection when installing. But yeah, it's going together great and looks very nice. I think that went pretty easy, honestly. I thought we were gonna be cussing at each other, wanting to, you know, choke each other to death, but no, it wasn't actually that bad.
On the Mustang, we've got the deck lid on, the hood on, the doors, the fenders on, the extensions on. Still got a lot to do, but we are definitely moving in the right direction and getting this thing back home to Brian. So hopefully by the end of tomorrow, it'll look even more like a car. But I would guess sometime next week, we'll be ready to get this thing buttoned up and finally looked over for the last time before we start making arrangements to send this thing home. So Brian's Mustang, looking killer. The guy's just, oh man, I'm speechless. It just looks so good. So definitely can't wait to see this thing completely put together, get some nice shots of it for you guys. We're gonna move on to the next topic, which would be Roman's C10. So Roman's C10 also got the glass installed in it this week. Front and back glass are done. Everything on this truck is pretty much finished up. We have to install the rear view mirror after this little deal here dries tomorrow. Put the wipers on it, and one more color to add to the custom billet emblems that are going on the fenders, and then we'll be ready to get this thing cleaned up, final look over, and set up delivery to Roman. But first, it does have to go next door to Tray 5 for a few things. So this one may be lingering around for another week or so before it actually gets to go back to Las Vegas to Roman. So this truck, another one, looking fantastic. Excited to see this one go home and be enjoyed like it should be. All right, so we got the front end of the Bronco all back together. We're waiting on some new seals to show up. As soon as the new seals show up, we'll be able to get the doors dialed in and get this thing set up to head on over to Steve at Elevated Design so he can finish up the interior. So we got Jeremy's dually fresh out of the booth. Cab sides are painted. Back of the cab's painted, roof's painted and iced out. We got it masked up and ready to start finalizing the front clip, and then we'll start wet sanding everything and getting it ready to get it in the booth one last time so we can get the outside of the body actually painted. So while this thing's getting ready, we also got Larry's truck over here. We got the front end back on it. We're finishing up getting everything gapped now. Once we have everything finalized and ready for body work, we'll begin body work. Hopefully here very, very soon, we'll start throwing around some body filler and getting this thing dialed in. So a lot going on, way a lot going on. So thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, go to the website, iCandyPaintworks.com, pick up some merch. For those of you out there who have picked up some merch, thank you guys, I appreciate it. We'll see you guys on the next video. We're gonna try this again.
How excited are you?
This excited.
All the solid, like grinded.
Did you bring any bananas?
Only my own.
All right, so Dylan and I are tag team.